Hello and welcome everybody to 12th day of our Devlog series. Today I played with PS Children so they don't spawn on top of each other. I added drinking, eating and sleeping functions. I need some of your meats. I lowered their damage so they don't kill me easily. There is not eating animation yet. Eat, drink and sleep. What a man can want more. Adjusting bed interface took a little more time than I wanted to. It had a little bit bug where it was not enabling my input again after sleeping. Right now there's no input, but it wasn't enabling it. It took a little bit more time than I wanted to, but it is what it is. I can slowly start to smooth some things like pick up interfaces, some resources. Like I can change the wood and stone and make a little world. I can add some animations so things look a little bit better. I will start with that. I need to spend the time on building as well, because right now I can build on top of each other. Like I can make five walls inside of each other and things like that. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you tomorrow.